Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswa, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Infosys System Engineer exam was conducted today, and again in the other shift or maybe in the upcoming days, many of them have the exam. So today I am going to solve the question which was asked in the today's examination. Not only this, so we have got few screenshots of pseudocode data interpretation, so that inside the Infosys crash course, if you'll go and see Infosys 11th of October 2025 questions, so a few data interpretation questions, pseudocode question, and to now it is 15, another 4 or 5 questions we will add it, so based on whatever we receive it. Okay, anyway, now so I will tell you a few things which you have to keep in mind if you're going to write the examination. So friends, the first thing is, okay, so about the ID card. So you can take any government ID card, no problem at all. So you have to take any government ID card is fine. College ID card is not mandatory. So college ID card is not mandatory. Okay, second thing, laptop is not required, friends. Laptop is not required. You do not have to take the laptop. Please take pen and paper. Please take pen and paper. Okay, now so at least some 3-4 papers and 2 pens you take. Friends, you can attempt any section. You can start with any section. Okay, so any section. Now there is no section wise timer. No section wise timer. That means it's not like, see, reasoning 15 minutes, okay, or whatever time. So reasoning there you have to attempt 15 minutes, 10 minutes. No, total time is 120 minutes. In that 120 minutes you have to attempt all the question. Okay, so don't take essay lightly, because essay is the thing which you can write whatever it is. Today essay question also I will tell you. Okay, so no section wise timer, the total time is there. Okay, and friends, you can revisit the question. So if suppose if you leave some question, and now suppose 5th question you left, and now you are at 8th question, so you can again come back to the 5th question. So revisit questions, that also you can do it. Okay, fine. The pattern remains same. There is no change in the pattern. Each section will have a separate cutoff. So sectional cutoff is there. 120 minutes. In that, section 1 reasoning ability test, 15 question 15 minutes, technical ability test 10 question 10 minutes, sorry, marks. Okay, 15 marks 10 marks. Verbal ability 20 question 20 marks. Pseudocode 5 question 10 marks. Numerical puzzle 4 question 10 marks. English grammar test 5 question 10 marks. English writing test 1 question. From the essay writing, so okay, so before we go for essay writing, let me discuss one puzzle question, otherwise I will be forgetting. I mean, again I'll have to search. So where is that question? So the one question in the puzzle was, so 3 questions I have, that 3 questions I will tell you. So this was one question, 2, 6, 8, 49, 364, and then 64 what? 3, 2 what? Now friends, you see here, so this is 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, 2 square is 4, 8 square is, okay, so this was 2, this was 2, 64, so this will be nothing but 4, right? So in this place 644, right? So this was a simple question from the topic puzzle. Okay, now essay writing 200 words, and I will tell you what were the essay writing question from 2 different shift. So essay writing was impact of movies on you, right? So impact of movie on us. Okay, that was the one from the first shift. And from the second shift, okay, most just percentage. Okay, and okay, so essay, in your opinion, you to get self-motivated. Okay, so in your opinion, something like this, in your opinion, how to get self-motivated, something like that, self-motivated. Okay, 200 words for this essay. Okay, and then many people were telling pseudocode was tough. We have some 2-3 questions we will solve, and then we will tell you. So what was there in pseudocode? So in pseudocode they're telling it's like modulus questions were there, and most indirect questions. We will analyze this what was there, but anyway. Okay, now so if this is done, we will move ahead with our okay, so we'll move ahead with the today's question now. So here you see, if test is written as, if test is coded as, if TASTE, test is coded as SDRWD, then teach how it will be coded. So friends, let us try to find the logic. So ST, T minus 1, A, B, C, D, T plus 3. See, A is 1 and D is 4. Correct? So 1 plus 3. S, R, S, so again minus 1. So this is 20, this is 23. So this is again plus 3. E minus 1 will be D. Same thing here you see. So T minus 1, so T will be S only. Okay, E. So E is 5. Okay, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So it will be H. Correct? 1 plus 3 is 4. Then A minus 1 will be Z. C is 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. It is F. H minus 1. H is 8. So G will be GH. Right? So S, H, Z, F, G will be the correct answer. If there is any mistake, please correct it. So it is minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1. This is the logic, right? So GH, ST, ZA, and 538 H and 336. Okay, so I hope this question is clear. Okay, sir, you only solve easy problem. My dear friends, see, I will, whatever questions we get, it is tough or easy, I always solve it. Okay, so that's not a problem. Okay, now so we have to calculate the principal amount where SI is, so SI is 10,640, rate is 4%, and the time is 20 years. Now here you see simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Okay, it is 10640 divided by principal. We have to find out rate is 4, time is 20, and then divided by 100. 1010 cancelled. Okay, and then see 4 how many times? So 4 2s are 8, and 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, right? And 2, so 133 times. So your principal will be 13300, right? So if you have 13,300 rupees, and if you invest for 20 years, you will be getting, see again if you want, so this is your principal, right? And this is your rate, and this is time. Divide by 100. If you do, you should be able to get the simple interest. Simple solution. So 1332 into 8. So 8 2s are 16. 24 plus 1 25. And this is 13 into 8 will be how much? So 1330. I'm sorry. So it will be nothing but 1330 into 8. 0, 8 3s are 24, and 106. Okay, so you can cross verify also, which is not required, just for your understanding I told you. Friends, see, please do like this video and also comment. See, the thing is, we get motivation only because you watch, you appreciate the content, right? So if you definitely appreciate more and more by liking and commenting, we will bring more and more videos. Okay, next, so look at the series. So 864, 432, 440, 220. Now friends, I could see this is nothing but half. That means if you divide by 2, you will get this. If you divide by 2, you will get this. So if you divide by 2, x by 2, so x by 2 is equals to 114. So x is nothing but equal to 228. So option A was the correct answer. Okay, cool. Next is, this problem was little tricky, but not very tricky. So we have 15, we have 30, we have 23, we have 46, we have 39, we have 78, and next. So friends, see, this is 2 times 15 into 2, 30, 23 into 2, 46, 39 into 2, 78. But I need the next number. So friends, 30 and this you see minus 7, 46 and minus 7, right? So this will be also 78 minus 7. So it will be 71. Option B will be the correct answer. Many of you can get the logic like this also. I will tell you. See, many of you can tell, sir, 15 plus 8, 23, 28, 23 plus 16, 39, 8, 16 and plus 32. That is also fine. No problem. So any logic works till then. It is working everywhere and it is logical. Okay. Now next. So this is done. So the sum of cubes. So this is an interesting question, and I don't know why did it come. So this is definitely an interesting question. Let's see. So the sum of cubes of the first, how many consecutive natural number is 2025? First of all, see, if we have 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, okay, 4 cube, and so on, n cube. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Right? Correct? So that is the formula. Sum of cubes, basically. Sum of cubes. Correct? Okay. Now, so here the sum of the cubes of the first consecutive natural number is 2025. Now friends, see, basically n into this whole square will be 2025. So 2020, so basically this number square will be nothing but 2025. So we know 25 square, we know 35 square, we know 45 square, we know 50 square, 55 square. It's very easy to calculate. See, 5 5s are 25, 2 if will increase by 1, 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. 5 square is 25, 3 if will increase by 1, 12. So 2025. 5 square is 25, 4 5s are 20, so 2025. So basically, I need this as 45. Correct? I need this as 45. So take the values of n from here. So n, if you take 9, so 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 by 2. So this is nothing but 45. So it is nothing but first 9 natural numbers. Otherwise, in the formula, you keep all the options and then see that at the end you should be getting this, right? Okay. So you put first 11. So 11 into 12 by 2 square. Correct? See, first option you take in the formula. So 11 into 11 plus 1, 12 by 2 square. So 2 6 cha. So 66. I want 5 at the end. So last digit should be 5. This number gone, this number gone. Only out of these two you had to check in the exam, and that's all you would have got the answer. Interesting problem. Then then here, a train crosses a pole in 12 seconds. Time is 12 seconds. A train crosses a pole. So a train is crossing a pole in 12 seconds. Okay. And a 700-meter long tunnel. So one tunnel is there. Tunnel 780 meter in 72 seconds. Okay. Now, so we know if a train crosses a pole, then the length of the pole will not be considered. So distance will be equal to a speed into time. Distance is nothing but length of train. We have to calculate a speed. We don't know. Train speed. Time is 12. This is my equation 1. Here. So length of train plus length of tunnel, okay, is equal to speed. We don't know, into time. Time is 72 seconds. So tunnel is 780. Length of the train we don't know, is equals to S into 72. Now S is same. Speed of the train is same in both. Let us equate the equation. So S will be L by 12. S will be 780 plus L by 72. But here 12 6 ja, 6L is equals to 780 plus L. So here 5L will be equal to 780. So L will be equal to 15 5 ja, 75 and 5 6 are 30. That's all. Okay. Cool. Done. Then okay, so we have reached to the end. So let me solve few puzzles for you. चलो भैया puzzle कहाँ पे हो? Okay, so there was one puzzle, 81 729, okay, and then 9. There was one 36 216, 6, then 16. What? Puzzles were very easy today. 4. So 9 square, okay, and this is 9 cube. Options were 64, 48, 28, D32. Directly screenshots only. See, I don't know if you're able to see or not. Sir, how did you get the screenshots? Okay, so that's why my name is Pratik Srivastava. Okay, anyway, now this is 6 square and this is 6 cube. Bhaiya 4 square and then 4 cube. Okay, so another 2 puzzles. The screenshots I have kept, and whatever is remaining I'll keep. This Infosys crash course is the one which needs you, and you needs crash course. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. It's not promotion. It's very simple. If you want to succeed, there should be some way, and we are providing you the way. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care. Results will come tonight.